How to create space in iPhone storage. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on General. In the General menu, find iPhone Storage and tap on it. This screen shows which apps and data types are taking up the most space. Here, under Recommendations, tap on Empty. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Delete from this iPhone to permanently remove these files. Alternatively, you can scroll down to the list of apps and select one you no longer need, such as Dropbox. On the App Storage page, tap on Delete App to proceed. A confirmation will appear. Tap on Delete again to remove it and all its data. Go back, and you can see the storage has freed up. Following these steps, you can easily create space on an iPhone storage. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.